Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear 10th class. How are you, my dear students? Dear students, today we will discuss about the new chapter number 6, which is about the information handling. But this is the topic of today's lecture. Okay, and information handling is about the basic statistics, is also known as the basic statistics. This is very important. The importance of this chapter is that with the help of this chapter we can estimate the average values, the measure of dispersion, range, etc. And the first topic of this exercise is exercise 6.1, which is taken from your Punjab textbook, Board Bahawalpur. Topic of today is frequency distribution. First of all, I would like to discuss about the frequency. In mathematics or in statistics, my dear students, the frequency means the number of occurrence of the values in a data. For example, you can see on the screen that there is some values are here which are not in the ordered, which are not in the ascending or descending order. For example, if I want to discuss the frequency of the 9, that on this screen you can observe that there are 3 values of 3 times 9 is a pair, 1, 2, 3. Means the occurrence of 9 is 3. So we can say that the frequency of 9 is 3 in this data. This is the example of the frequency. And frequency distribution means when we will arrange the data in the tabular form like classes or groups, tally mark, frequency, then this method is known as the frequency distribution method. My dear students, in our exercise 6.1, there are only 2 questions are included in Smart Syllabus. Question number 1 is construct frequency distribution and cumulative frequencies of the following data. There are some values you can observe, there are some values these are the 39 values are given in the data. They are not in arranged form, and we are going to make the frequency distribution. How we can make? Before making the frequency distribution, there are some important rules. That first one is that we will arrange the values into some groups or classes, and the number of groups or classes are not equal to or not less than 4 and not more than 15. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 classes in this data. And the second method is that how can we make the classes? We will go to the data and check the minimum value. The minimum value of the data is 2, and we will check the maximum value of the data, which is 12. So we can choose in some questions the examiner or the book writer or author has given the clue that you will make the class size of 100 or 10 or 4 etc. But in this question the class size is not given, so there is opportunity that we can start our class from 2 to 3 or 1 to 2 as you wish. We have divided the classes into 2. Class size is 2. How can we measure the class size? My dear student, you can observe that the difference from the first size to second. This is known as a class size. And the first class, this is known as a class limit. Every class is known as the class limit. There are 6 class limits. This lower class limit is known as the minimum value is known as the lower class limit, and the maximum value is known as the upper class limit. And class size means that the difference between the upper class limit between the upper class limits of the 2 consecutive class limits. The difference, for example, the difference of the 4 and 2 is 2. So this is the class size. You can check it from this side also. 5 difference 3 is also 2. And you can see also that 2 and 3, there are 2 values are here. So we can say that the class size is 2. We will write the class size must be the same in one question, in one distribution. So distribute the values 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 12, 13. 13 is not present, but it doesn't matter. And now we will go to the tally mark. Tally mark means these are the lines that express that how many times these values are occur in the data. For example, we can see that 2 and 3. You can observe that 1, 3 and 4. There are 4 values, so we will write the 4 lines here to express the tally mark of this class. And frequency means this is the 4. We will write it in the digit. And like 4 and 5, there are 10 values are present like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 values are present here. So we will write it. Achha, remember one thing. We will mark the 5th line as this. So it is very easy to count. 5 plus 5 is 10. It is very easy for the counting. So you will mark this line as it is. This is 5 and this is 5th line must be the italic, like this shape. So like this method you will find the tally mark and you will find the frequency: 4, 10, 5 plus 4, 9, 5, 5, 10, 1, 1, 11, 4 and 1. And now in our question that we will find the cumulative frequency also. Cumulative frequency means how can we find? First of all, we will write the first frequency as it is and then we will add the previous frequency to the next frequency. Like 4 plus 10 equals to 14, 14 plus 9 equals to 23, 23 plus 11 equals to 34, 34 plus 4 equals to 38 and 38 plus 1 equals to 39. These are the cumulative frequencies. Now we will move to our question number 3. In this question there are only one thing is we will find that make the frequency distribution of the data, and in this question the class interval or class size is given rupees 100. This is the salaries, data of the salaries of different employees per day. And dear students, the data is starting from 450 and the minimum value is 450 and the maximum value is 1230. So we will distribute 1240. So we will distribute our data in this way. We will start from 450, make the difference of 100. 550 minus 450, 100. Or 649 minus 549 is also 100. So we will make the classes like this: 450 to 550, 49, 550 to 649, 650 to 749, like this. And last class is 1150 to 1249. After that we will find the values of 451. There are only 450 to 549. There are only 2 values, 1 and 2. So we will mark it 2, again 2. Like this method, like the previous method, we will find like this 550 and second class is 550 to 649. So 1, 2, 649 is the last limit. 5. Remember the class in your mind. 1 and 2, there are only 2 values also here. So we will check the other values, other class. 650 to 749. 650 to 749. 1, 749. 2, 3, 4. There are 4 values are present here. Next one is 750 to 849. So check it. 750 to 849. Like 750 to 849. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 values. So with the help of this method we will find the tally mark of all these questions, all these classes, and then we will make the frequency 2, 4 lines means 4, the frequency is 5, 3, 4, and at the end we will add all these values, the sum of all these values: 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, plus 3, 16, 20 and 30. And there are also the 30 values are given. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. There are 30 values. So this answer is the right answer.